Hey guys, it's your girl again. I'm back with my unboxing part 2. This one is, I got this one from, where did I order this? Oh, from Walmart too. Walmart online. And this one is from Barton. And the model number is here, as you can see. Let me see if I can look at this big old box. See the model number, all that good information they give you. So, let's see what's in here. Here, let me bring it down again so you can see what I'm seeing. Can you guys see? Alright, I'll try to back it up some. Let's cut into this box. Isn't it just like, I love getting packages, but my thing is, these are things that I've always wanted, and I grew up around them. My mother had an old-fashioned one that always made me nervous, so I'm hoping that this one will put my mind at ease and don't be as nerve-wracking. Oh no! It's broken! And with this thing, you don't need it to be broken. Look. One of the pieces has come off. Ugh. That is the worst thing you hate to find out, is when you purchase something and it's broken. I have been waiting for this thing forever. This is so frustrating. But I will show you what it was going to be now that I know that I'm going to have to send this thing back, because it's not going to be any good or useful to me, because I put this product, it has to be all together. You cannot have any broken pieces. So let me bring you back up. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Okay, this is what I purchased. A pressure cooker. I have been wanting to do a lot of my vegetables and stuff that I get out of my garden. And I was so excited because I've been like keeping them in the refrigerator, anticipating when this pressure cooker was going to get here, so I could, as soon as I got it, start working with this thing. And I'm finding other pieces that have broken off. So there's a total of 3 pieces that has broken off of this pressure cooker. And I do believe it's from the handle. And I don't know about you, but you know, when you're messing with a pressure cooker, the handle needs to be intact, because this is what helps lock in the canister to keep the steam and everything in. And this is a major player in pressure cooking. So this, I don't know what to say. I'm just so disappointed. See, this went right here. See this piece right here? It went right here. So now I have to call the company, see what I have to do, and how long will it take before I get another pressure cooker. And this one was going to be easy, because this one had like a little dial on the top. Because you know, back in the day, they just had one of those things that jiggle, 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 jiggle on the top. They didn't have like the pressure gauge. They didn't have this part. All they had was this little thing right here that just jiggled. We don't want that. For me, I need to know how much pressure I have to my altitude, and when this thing is cooled off and it goes all the way to 0, to let me know that it is safe for me to take the lid off. Alright guys, well, I guess I'm not going to be happy about my pressure cooker, but I'm sure happy about my dehydrator. At least I got one out of the two, so I will keep you informed on how this all works out. And in this on the back of this, it has recipes for Mexican chicken soup, beef soup with lentils. It's like a instruction book with a few recipes in here. You can do blueberry filling. You can do spiced pears, which I want to do so bad. And cranberry jelly. You can do bacon jam. Oh my goodness. Let's see about this bacon jam. It says for bacon jam, you need 5 pounds of good quality bacon cut in 1-inch strips. 2, you need 5 large yellow onions sliced 1/4 inch thick. You need 10 cloves of garlic. You need 1 1/2 cups of very strong coffee. Oh my goodness. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup packed brown sugar. And then you need 1/2 cup pure maple syrup and pepper to taste. See? I could have made some of this. Well, I still can make some of this when I get hopefully, my new pressure cooker. I don't know if I'm going to get this type of pressure cooker again, because it shows me that the packing of their product isn't the best. And looking at this now, the seal, because I know my mother's always had a seal. Well, the rubber seal looks like it's has a few cracks in it. So maybe, hopefully, they'll refund my money, and then I can just get online and try to find another pressure cooker. Oh man, I was so excited about this pressure cooker. Alright, well, I'll keep you posted on how they're going to refund me, how they're going to make me a happy camper, so I'll be able to get either my money back, or I will do some research and find me another pressure cooker so I can get all those vegetables that I took time in my garden to grow, and I wanted to get them canned. I brought my jars. Your girl Renee was ready. I was ready to throw down on some pressure cooking. But now, you know what? I'm not going to get discouraged. I'm just going to press on. I'm going to call this number, let them know what happened, and see if they can expedite my refund, or so I can buy a different type of a pressure cooker. Alright guys, keep you posted. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though my pressure cooker didn't come in the best condition. But you know, hey, when something is being shipped and they don't pack it very nicely, you know, anything can happen. So there's nothing I can do about it, but give them a call, tell them what happened, and hopefully the refunding my money will not be a struggle. Okay, we just want this to be an easy peasy, you know, transaction. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. I am going to get on the phone, get this resolved, and then after I handle that, you know, I'm going to wash all them trays, get that dehydrator working, and I think I'm going to do I better do my onions quick. I better get my onions dehydrated, and then I'm going to do my bananas next. Do something that I need, and then have a little treat for a little snack during the day when I'm working so hard in my garden. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Give me a thumbs up for this video. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to me so you'll always know what is Renee up to. What kind of drama does that girl have in her life today? What has she been doing out in that garden? Because I'm always in that garden and I'm always up to something. Alright, hope you guys are in your gardens. I hope you guys are out there doing what you do best and enjoying these days and relaxing, and let all your stress go away in your garden. And I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll be talking to you real soon. Pray for me about this pressure cooker. Send all your love and all your prayers my way. Okay? All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.